How to add credit card on Steam. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Steam account. Now, at the top, you're gonna find your username. Go ahead and click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of account details. Open it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now head towards the option of account details. Under that, you will find the option of add a payment method to the account. Go ahead and click on it. Now over here, you'll find this drop down from where you can select your card. Set it to Visa. After you select it, now you have to provide your card details. Firstly, type in the card number and then type in the expiration date. Likewise, type in the security code. Once you provide your card information, then you can head towards the section of billing information. Provide the billing information for your Steam account. Once you fill all this, scroll down, you'll find the option of continue. Go ahead and click on it. And with that, your payment details will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily add credit card on Steam account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.